UP elections are on the horizon, ladies and gentlemen, and every party has fallen back to their mainstay, polarization. Let's debate.
दोबारा रोड पे निकलेंगे, यहीं पर भी शाहीन बाग बनेगा इंशाअल्लाह ताला।
चाचा जान और अब्बा जान के अनुयायियों से कहूंगा, शक्ति के साथ सरकार निपटना भी जानती है।
बताओ, बोलो, बुलडोजर का सफाया करोगे कि नहीं करोगे?
जैसे ही चुनाव आया है, अखिलेश जी को गिनना बहुत महान दिखने लगे।
जय जय श्री राम।
As Uttar Pradesh gears up for the big election, addressing BJP's booth presidents in Kanpur, Yogi Adityanath said this.
उस व्यक्ति को जो यहाँ पर सिटीजनशिप अमेंडमेंट एक्ट के नाम पर फिर से भावनाओं को भड़काने का कार्य कर रहा है, चाचा जान और अब्बा जान के अनुयायियों से कहूंगा कि वे सावधान होकर के सुन लें। अगर प्रदेश की भावनाओं को भड़का करके माहौल खराब करोगे तो फिर शक्ति के साथ सरकार निपटना भी जानती है। हर व्यक्ति जानता है कि ओवैसी समाजवादी पार्टी के एजेंट बनकर के प्रदेश में भावनाओं को भड़काने का कार्य कर रहे हैं।
The statement comes soon after the AIMIM chief's Shaheen Bagh 2.0 threat.
CAA का कानून वापस लेना चाहिए, क्यों लेना चाहिए? हमसे मीडिया वाले पूछ रहे हैं कि अगर नहीं करे तो क्या करेंगे? अगर NPR और NRC का कानून बनाएंगे तो हम दोबारा रोड पे निकलेंगे, यहीं पर भी शाहीन बाग बनेगा इंशाअल्लाह ताला। याद रखना।
While Owaisi threatened at Shaheen Bagh, Akhilesh Yadav was busy praising Jinnah a month ago.
सरदार पटेल जी, राष्ट्रपिता महात्मा गांधी, जवाहरलाल नेहरू, जिन्ना एक ही संस्था में पढ़ करके बैरिस्टर बन करके आए थे। उन्होंने आजादी दिलाई।
And the opposition that is resorting to Shaheen Bagh threats must answer. What about the real issues? As the battle for Uttar Pradesh heats up, polarization and Block India campaigns cannot be a bogey to distract from people's issues.
Wow, congratulations, Waris Pathan. You thought you had a meeting, you had a think tank, you had a get-together, then you had a brainstorming session. After that, you decided that the only issue, Ratan Chadha, he decided for the UP elections is Shaheen Bagh 2.0. I mean, what is this? Only issue.
Nothing new.
You discussed, you debated, and you said Shaheen Bagh 2.0.
This party made on the basis of
Yes, Ratan
neo-Jinnah
Chadha?
politics. See, this party has been made on the basis of neo-Jinnah ideas, where you will divide people, you will instigate people,
Yeah.
and you'll try to create political cauldron which can lead to any kind of anarchy that might frighten their people and they might come to flock him and vote him. As simple as that. You mock at India's constitution.
Yeah.
You mock at India's law and
Yeah.
order. You mock at a law passed for the refugees, the orphans of partition, and you believe that people will not respond to you. You mock at the people, you mock at the refugees who have suffered all these 70 years and thrown out of the various countries from Bangladesh, from Pakistan, from Afghanistan, and you expect to throw them back into the cauldron of minority bashing in those states.
No, he's missing. He's missing Shaheen Bagh.
When you mix up the bill, which has nothing to do with local Muslims, naturally he has to be either abused or he has to be mocked. So Yogi chose him to be mocked. As simple as that.
Okay, so Ratan Chadha, 1 minute. Ratan Chadha, hold back.
Allow me,
Ratan
sir,
Chadha, hold back.
give me-
Waris, listen to my complete question. Listen to my I'll allow you. Here's the question. Allow me to ask a question.
हैदराबाद
Question
में
is
बहुत
simple.
टाइम है, हैदराबाद में चिल्लाओ,
Waris?
यहाँ पे जरूरत नहीं है आपकी.
Oh God, you know, the problem is Ratan Chadha, why don't you? Waris, if you every time come on the program and say government has failed and this is that, not happened, this has not happened, nothing has been done, there are no midday meals, there is no food security, there are water issues, people are not being paid salaries, UP is going to the dogs. If that is the situation, then talk about the issues. But you only want to talk about Shaheen Bagh. Wow, what is this obsession with Shaheen Bagh?
Well, Arnab, today
UP में Shaheen Bagh कर देंगे, बंद कर देंगे. What is this?
No, may I make
Aren't
my
you
point,
ashamed
sir?
of yourself to be talking like this?
Arnab, if you
May I
remember,
make
Is there a serious issue that you have to raise?
during Shaheen Bagh, they said we will create 70, 80 Shaheen
Yeah,
Bagh.
53
I am
people died,
confused, Arnab.
581 were
Then
injured in the
whose
Delhi riot.
victim
I don't forget
I-
it. I just don't want a repeat of
We
it.
will create 70,
Today I am
80 Shaheen
confused,
Baghs.
Arnab, because see, earlier Congress used to call us BJP's B team. Now BJP is calling us Samajwadi Party's B
You
team.
are
I am
confused.
confused. I
You
would
think
rather
you're doing
advise them to have a
Pakistan.
meeting and
Sorry,
come
you
to a
are
conclusion
confused.
that whose B team are we?
You are
But let me tell you,
confused.
I am the B
You
team
don't know what
and
you
the
want to
agent
speak
of the
about.
martyrs
You will not speak
who have
about the
sacrificed
issue
their
that-
life
that
for
Muslims
the
suffer
freedom of
from.
our great
You will
nation,
create-
Bharat.
you will
I am
create
the B
scare
team
among
of that.
them.
And
You
yes,
will create
the
hate among
Constitution
them.
has
So
given
you
me
are
the right
confused.
to hold agitations, to hold protests peacefully.
you have no
If I am
right
not
to create
convinced
anarchy.
with the policies
Look
of the
at Supreme
government,
Court judgment.
I am doing my constitutional.
Sorry, you have no
What is
right
my
to
right?
create anarchy,
You don't know
violence.
anything about
Look
that. You
at
just shut up and keep
Supreme
quiet. You
Court
don't know
said.
anything about that.
Oh,
You don't
yes,
know
yes,
anything
you know
about that.
everything.
It's
You
the
know how
same
to exploit
lollipops
Constitution.
Modi used
You
to
know
give
how
to the
to exploit
farmers
their minority
that the
vote
MSP
bank.
bill is very
You
much
know how to
beneficial
create
for
violent
them.
situations,
But what happened
which have been doing
ultimately?
since
The
1930s.
farmers won the
Ratan
battle.
Sharda, let me hear
This
one
is
at a
the
time,
victory of
please.
democracy and the Constitution and the defeat of Modi. Now Modi is to apologize before the nation. Similarly, we demand and request Modi that the unconstitutional NRC and the
It is
CA
not
law must be
unconstitutional.
repealed and must be withdrawn
It is
immediately.
not
Otherwise, we will
unconstitutional.
do peaceful
Show
agitation,
me
and we
one
always
line
supported the
of
Shaheen
the
Bagh
court
agitation, and
which
we
says-
will agitate in peaceful manner. No, you. What happened in Assam? What happened in Assam? Khoda Pahad, Nikla Chua. The names of our military personnel were missing. The names of the Chief Justice family was missing. You spent crores of taxpayers' money in this futile exercise, and ultimately you come to a conclusion that those names are not there. Why? Why you want to see that the Muslims are standing in QCs? This is our country, our nation.
No, you
Why
want-
should
you want,
Sine pe goli
viewers-
khayenge,
Can I-
viewers
Can I-
Kadas
Viewers,
Sahib,
10:44 p.m.
Because the BJP
10:44
leaders
p.m.
time and again are
10:44
asking
p.m.
us for
What
the
is
document.
limited
Let
time,
me
so
make it very
shorter responses. RP Singh, why doesn't Yogi Adityanath ignore this? Why does he say, I would like to ask these followers of Chacha Jan and Abba Jan to listen carefully. If you spoil the atmosphere, the government
can't
knows
ignore it.
how to deal
He
with it
can't
strictly.
ignore it.
Second part
He's
is not a
not
problem.
worked. Communalization is the only
What doesn't
card
work?
our Yogi has. Communalization is the only card he has. He can't ignore it. Communalization is all that the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh has.
And then claim that he has shot
He can't ignore it.
Tried to communalize the
Arre.
demolition of Babri Masjid. Who wanted to take
जिसका
advantage?
काम
Who given
जलवा
Muslim
है,
vote banks?
उसका
Who's saying
नाम
that
मुलायम है।
जिन्ना ने आजादी दिलाई थी,
जिसका
उससे जिन्ना ने
जलवा
आजादी दिलाई थी।
कायम है,
किससे से बोला था जिन्ना ने
उसका
आजादी दिलाई थी?
नाम मुलायम है,
अरे
याद
दिक्कत
रखो
ये है कि
आरपी
रेस
सिंह,
नहीं
ठीक
है।
है?
There's a race going on between
याद रखो,
Samajwadi
याद रखो।
Party and
याद
OSC
रखो, याद
to
रखो।
be the
शांत हो जाओ थोड़ा।
son or grandchildren of
शांत हो जाओ।
Jinnah.
शांत हो
You
जाओ।
want to prove yourself to be
Tell
grandchildren
the
of Jinnah.
people,
Both
tell
of
the
you.
people what have you done.
You are racing
Tell
among
the people about your
each other,
projects,
among
about the
yourself
development. Tell the
to
people about
be the grandchildren of
infrastructure.
Jinnah.
Talk about the
आप
issues
जिन्ना
that
के जिन्ना को
matter.
दादा जान मानते हैं, परदादा जान मानते हैं, अपना क्या?
जिसका
जिन्ना को दादा जान मानते हैं।
कायम
अब्बा जान तो सब लगती थी,
अरे
मुलायम सिंह जी
भैया,
बड़े
जिसका
बड़े
जलवा
आदरणीय
कायम है,
हैं।
उसका
परंतु
नाम
जिन्ना को कब से
मुलायम है।
दादा जान मानने लगे आप लोग?
आपके काम के बारे में बताइए। काम
अरे सर,
बोलता है।
काम के बारे में तो यूपी का है।
2.0.
Why you
काम के
communalizing?
बारे में तो यूपी का हर
काम
नागरिक
के
का
बारे
है।
में
काम की
बताइए।
छोड़िए आप।
No, do you
काम की
want a
जगह
Shaheen
नहीं है,
Bagh?
तो मुख्यमंत्री के मौलाना
Abhishek,
मुसलमानों का
can I have a rapid fire with you?
Same.
Abhishek, can I have a rapid fire with you? RP Singh, 1 minute. Abhishek,
Yeah, sure.
Abhishek, can I have a rapid
Before
fire
that
with you? Just
rapid
wait a minute,
fire,
okay?
just a little
A couple of
appetizer.
questions here.
AIMIM
Couple of questions here.
hates Hindus.
Couple of questions.
AIMIM
Couple of
hates
questions.
Hindus.
Couple of
BJP
questions to
hates
you.
Muslims.
Thank you.
One is
Don't
a
run.
Hindu-phobic party. The other is a Islamophobic party. Akhilesh Yadav will work for the people of Uttar Pradesh. That's all. He will work for all castes, all communities, all
You also
religions.
hate Hindus. And
You
that's why
are a
again
Islamophobic
go in
party.
election and
No, but do you
AIMIM is a
do you
Hindu-phobic
you do
party.
just something and
One
say that yes,
is a
we kill
Islamophobic
Hindus,
party, the
we
other
kill
is a
Trans
Hindu-phobic party. We are a pro-people party. We are a pro-people party. The Samajwadi Party builds expressways.
That's
You
all
do
right.
build an
Those are
expressway.
Those
Why do you have to talk about Abba Jan and Chacha Jan?
characterizations that you're giving to
Do you have
yourself,
anything other than
which I am not
communalization?
interested in. My question to you is, that Owaisi
The
has
CA
said there
and
will be
NRC
another
is
Shaheen Bagh
dead.
kind of agitation?
The CA and
Simple
NRC
question
are
to
dead
you is,
laws.
do you
The CA
support
and
a
NRC are
Shaheen
in
Bagh
cold
kind of
storage.
agitation
The
part
rules have
2
not been
in the name of
notified.
NRC and CA? My view
There
on
is
this is,
nothing to
Abhishek,
talk
that we have
about.
seen enough, we are fed up,
The CA
we
and
hate
NRC are
it. You should
finished.
also say that
The
I am
Bharatiya
against
Janata
Owaisi's
Party, like they rolled back the
comment.
farm laws,
You
they're
cannot
going
say
to
I'll
roll
avoid
back
it.
CA and
I am
NRC.
asking you again, are you for what Owaisi said or against it?
You cannot.
Are you for or against what Owaisi has said? Do you agree with this idea
I
that UP
don't
must be
care.
surrounded by
Owaisi
Shaheen
doesn't
Bagh type
matter.
agitations all over again?
These are two sides of the same
Don't
communal
try
coin.
and play it.
Are you for CA
These
bill
are two
or
sides of
against
the same
CA?
communal coin.
Let's ask him this.
OAC can't even get into double
आप
digits.
CA के पक्ष में
OAC
CA
can't
के
even get
विरोध
into double
में ये
digits.
बता
He's
दीजिए.
not going to win one seat in Uttar Pradesh.
No, I am asking you. I am asking
Bhaiya,
you.
CA
I am
and
asking
RC,
you
notify
a
the
simple
rules.
question, Abhishek,
Notify the rules.
and you wait. Now I am asking
The
you
BJP
the
is
question
against
again.
the CA and NRC.
Listen.
If
He
there is any
said,
party that is
and
against the
why
CA
don't
and
why
NRC,
don't
it
you
is the
say
BJP,
today? Why
because
don't
the
you say?
BJP
Okay, tell
is
me one
not
thing.
notifying the
Asaduddin
rules.
Owaisi's brother. Listen to me. Asaduddin Owaisi, who wants a return
He's a bigot.
of Shaheen
He's
Bagh,
a bigot. He's a
right?
Hindu hater.
Also said,
Akbaruddin
we may
Owaisi
be.
is a Hindu hater.
Listen to-
Akbaruddin Owaisi is a Hindu hater.
Have you finished your question? Have you finished your question?
The AIM are a party of Hindu haters.
Just a minute. Waris. Okay, 1 minute. All right. Okay, I'll get Waris and I think I'll get Waris to debate with Abhishek. Waris and Abhishek will debate and I will anchor. You will debate, I will anchor. Don't make it the other way around. I'm not debating and you're not anchoring. I'm anchoring, you're debating. Yeah, good. Thank you. Now these two people who are playing this mock fight, Ratan Sharda.
Who's trying to
1 minute.
polarize?
Yeah, I didn't even ask the question. Waris, I'm the anchor. You're the debater. Not the other way around. If I were to be a debater, you wouldn't be able to debate. You'd all lose to me.
They have threatened Hindus repeatedly. The
Yeah,
BJP
so when the
threatens
AI
Muslims repeatedly.
Okay,
Hindu
now can I
Muslim
say-
तू मैंने करते रहिए. Akhilesh Yadav
No,
will become chief minister.
can I
बस चल.
Can I tell you one thing? One day, Waris Pathan got up and went to a rally, Abhishek. He went to the rally and his leader, Asaduddin Owaisi, made a speech. And Asaduddin Owaisi said, "Hum 15 crore hai, wo 100 crore hai, magar hum 100 crore pe bhari hai." And Asaduddin Owaisi started clapping, laughing,
No, Waris
cheering,
said
saying,
that.
"Well done,
Asaduddin
Mr.
didn't
Owaisi."
say it.
You remember that? That was in the
Waris
backdrop
said
of
that, not
Shaheen Bagh.
Asaduddin Owaisi.
That was in the backdrop of Shaheen Bagh. Waris wants
you
that
never
situation
saw-
back.
no,
He wants that 15
don't
crore, 100 crore
spread
wala
lies and
argument.
lies.
And 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute.
How many
1
times
minute,
that
1 minute.
goes
Just a
for
minute.
me?
Just.
Waris
speak
should
about
answer
the
how many tickets
speeches.
they are going to give Hindus.
देश के
Abhishek, listen,
गद्दारों
he's
को
answering.
गोली मारो
Tickets from your party. Tell us.
No, Anurag
we
Thakur
have
didn't say
given
that.
tickets to our Hindu brothers and
He didn't say
sisters
that.
in Gujarat.
He said
and
Desh
they
ke
have
gaddaron
won
ko-
on our tickets.
the crowd said the rest.
Go
Are you
and
giving
check
tickets
your
to Hindus?
facts. Gujarat
Really?
election was just 4 years back and you have seen how many Hindus brothers and
Please tell
sisters
us.
have won from our party.
okay, name
Why
all the
should the
Hindus
Hindu
you are
brothers
giving
not vote
tickets
for
to
us?
in UP?
We are talking about development.
Please
Who's trying to
tell us.
polarize?
Oh,
Who started
but
Chacha
Waris,
Jan,
you were
Abba Jan,
threatening
Bhai
us.
Jan, Alexander.
Abhishek, Abhishek.
Gulbarga.
Abhishek, they
You were
want a
threatening
Shaheen
us
Bagh
in
back. Why don't you
Gulbarga?
say we don't want a Shaheen Bagh back?
You were
All I
threatening
wanted to
us
say, 1
Hindus in
minute.
Gulbarga.
Can I be heard? I'm asking the question to Abhishek. Abhishek, here's your great opportunity. And you know what Shaheen Bagh did. At the end of it, because of the polarization of Shaheen Bagh, because of the polarization during Shaheen Bagh, 53 people died, 581 people were injured in the Delhi riots. We don't want it. I don't want it. You don't want it. We're aware,
700 people
patriotic,
died,
nationalist
farmers'
Indians.
protest.
We don't want
700.
that Shaheen Bagh all over again. No, I'm talking about Shaheen Bagh.
700.
I'll discuss farmers' protest separately. I'm discussing
We don't
Shaheen
want the
Bagh.
farmers'
I don't want
protest
Shaheen Bagh.
also.
You want Shaheen
But we
Bagh?
had to have the farmers' protest.
No, Shaheen Bagh. Owaisi wants a rerun of Shaheen Bagh. You want Shaheen Bagh? 1 minute. Don't let him get away. Focus on him. Viewers, camera back on Abhishek Sudhir answering my question. I don't want Shaheen Bagh. Does Abhishek, you want Shaheen Bagh?
700 deaths is talk about. Where are the numbers? He cannot keep on throwing
Arey
the
Arnab
figures
ji,
and creating
BJP
hate.
doesn't want
Does he
Shaheen
have
Bagh.
certificates?
BJP has scrapped
Does he
CA
have
and
proof
NRC.
of those deaths happening
They have
in the
taken back the
border
farm
areas?
laws.
Were they
Arey Ratan
Were
Sharda,
they
please
killed?
stop with your noise
RP.
pollution, man.
No, you
We're
start
already
your
struggling with
nonsense. You
air
cannot
pollution.
throw
We don't
figures
need
because nobody
your noise
wants us to-
pollution. Okay? Oh my God,
man
man.
is something
Ratan
like a
Sharda,
joker.
take it
I mean,
seriously.
What's funny?
All right, come on. Relax.
Why do you go personal, Abhishek?
Why do you go
Take a deep breath.
You say
Actually,
700
don't.
died,
Air
you
is
give no
so bad.
proof,
Don't.
and you laugh. like a demon.
In Shaheen Bagh, are you there? Are you for Shaheen Bagh in UP? Do you want Shaheen Bagh to be repeated in UP?
Yeah, the question, are you for Shaheen Bagh? I'm not for Shaheen Bagh.
Notify karo.
Protest.
Notify
it was
the
against
rules.
the black law and constitutional
Notify
law.
the
You
rules,
cannot follow
yeah.
law on the grounds of
Notify the
religion.
rules.
Kindly,
So
Arnab,
that
go and
Hindus
please
and
read the
Sikhs from
constitution.
Afghanistan can be given
It is
the
what you
right.
say. It is against the fundamental principles of
notify
equality.
CAA.
Is ready to repeat in UP.
The NRC
Why
and
are you not
CAA is against the
implementing
principle of
CAA?
equality.
Why are you against
Arnab, ask him
CAA?
how.
I didn't get my question
Arnab, ask
answered.
him how.
Viewers, we don't want our roads blocked. We don't, I say viewers, I'm clear. We don't want our roads blocked. We don't want our development blocked. We don't want our lives blocked.
Then why don't you take back the laws like you took back the
We
farmers?
don't want another Shaheen Bagh type rerun in this country. The country doesn't need that. Pankaj Sharma writes to me, says, my father who's an octogenarian now, who stopped me from watching TV for studies, but he never stopped me from watching you since 2006. And I thank him for imbibing in me a sense of nationalism. Pankaj, I thank you and I thank your father. It is messages like this which mean a lot to me, really mean a lot. Namrata M says, had the Congress then retaliated, India would not have witnessed Uri and Pulwama. 1000% agree. Sunita Menon says, when some currency is not a legal tender, why should it be around in such a serious business affairs? It should be something like the currency in a kid's Monopoly game. Yeah, only this is real. This is real. It's being presented as some Monopoly game, but that's a game. This is real. That's what worries me. Sunita, thank you very much, and I shall see you tomorrow at 9. Ladies and gentlemen, good night and goodbye.